Welcome back. I will solve exercise 2.1. Question number first. Find the principal value of the following. Question number first part. Sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Solution of this question. Sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to sine inverse minus 1 by 2 sine in sine pi by 6 pi by 6 sine value of sine 31 by 2, so change into radian, so pi 180 upon 6 30, so pi by 6. We know that sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta lies in fourth quadrant. So now replace change in according to this formula. We can write sine inverse sine minus pi by 6. So minus sine theta this, so you can change sine minus theta, so theta pi by 6. Since sine inverse sine x is equal to x, so you can write according to this, so minus pi by 6. Principal value minus pi by 6, so lies between this, so sine inverse principal branch, so theta belong to minus pi by 2 pi by 2, so pi by 2 means minus 90 degree to 90 degree, and according to this pi by 6 180 divided by 6 is equal to 30 degree, so minus is equal to minus 30. Minus 30 lies between this, so principal value of sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus pi by 6. Therefore principal value of sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus pi by 6. Question number 2. Cos inverse root 3 by 2. So change into in radian. Cos inverse cos 3 by 2, so cos pi by 6. Value of cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, change into 13 radian pi by 6. Since cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta, so now change according to this, cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta, so pi by 6, and theta belong to 0 to pi, lies between this theta. Pi by 6 means 30 degree, so 0 180, so pi by 6 lies between them. So principal value of cos inverse root 3 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. This is answer. And question number third part, cosec inverse 2. Cosec inverse 2. So cosec inverse cosec 2 means cosec 30. Cosec 30 means in change into radian, so pi by 6. So cosec pi by 6. So cosec pi by 6, since cosec inverse cosec pi by x is equal to x, so pi by 6. Principal value is pi by 6. Question number 4th, tan inverse minus root 3. So now tan inverse minus root 3 in tan, so pi by value of 60, tan 60 root 3 and change into radian, so tan inverse minus tan pi by 3. So now since tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, so now change minus tan theta is equal to tan minus theta. Now replace this tan inverse tan minus pi by 3. Since tan inverse tan x is equal to x, so now minus pi by 3. And principal value, so x belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So pi by 2 means lies between them, so this is answer. And question number 5th, cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Cos inverse minus 1 by 2. In case of this is value of 1 by 2, so cos inverse minus 1 by 2 change into trigonometry ratio 1 by 2 cos 60, so pi by 3 minus cos pi by 3 minus and 1 by 2 cos pi by 3. When minus cos theta and minus sec theta and minus cot theta change into pi minus theta, in this case, and also this case change, and this also change cos inverse cos pi minus pi by 3. minus cos. So change in case of minus cos, minus sec and minus cot, and change in another form. So replace pi by 3. So pi minus pi by 3. So cos, also you can write cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3, since cos inverse cos x is equal to x. So you can write 2 pi by 3. Pi by 3. So x belong to principal branch, x belong to cos 0 to pi, 0 to pi. So this 2 pi by 3 and 2 into 180 divide by 3, 6, 120. 120 lies between 0 to pi. So this is principal value of cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Question number 6. Tan inverse minus 1 minus 1. So 1 in tan ratio, value of 1 in tan ratio. So tan inverse minus tan pi by 4. Pi by 4. Since tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Minus tan theta is changed in tan minus theta. So tan inverse tan minus pi by 4. So since we know that tan inverse tan x is equal to x, so you can write minus pi by 4. Principal value lies, so tan x belong to tan minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So minus pi by 4 means 180 divided by 4, 45. Minus 45 lies between in them. So therefore principal value is minus pi by 4. And question number 7. Sec inverse 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. So sec inverse root 3. So 2 by root 3 in sec pi by 6. Since sec inverse sec x is equal to x, so this is pi by 6. So principal value belong to x belong to 0 to pi not included minus pi by 2. So pi by 6 lies between in them. So this is answer. Question number 9, cos inverse minus 1 by 2 in bracket minus 1 by 2 in cos 1 by 2. So cos inverse minus cos pi by 4 in cos 45 means 1 by root 2 minus cos theta. So minus cos theta change cos pi minus theta, pi minus theta. Now change in this form, cos minus cos pi minus pi by 4. So cos inverse cos pi by 4 pi 3 pi, 4 pi minus pi 3 pi by 4. Since cos inverse cos x is equal to x, so now according to this formula you can change 3 pi by 4. So cos, principal value of cos inverse minus 1 by 2. So cos x belong to 0 to pi means 0 180. So 3 into 180 upon 4, this is 135. 135 lies between in them. So this is principal value of cos inverse minus 1 by root 2 root 3 pi upon 4. This is answer. Cosec, question number 10, cosec inverse minus root 2. So you can write cosec inverse minus cosec pi by 4. Value of cosec 45 is equal to root 2. Root 2, so cosec pi by 4. And also since cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta, so now change in this way. So you can write cosec inverse cosec minus pi by 4. So since cosec inverse cosec theta is equal to theta, so cosec this value of minus pi upon 4. So cosec value, so principal branch of cosec is equal to x belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and 0 excluding 0. So this value minus pi by 4 45 lies between them. Minus pi by 4 lies minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. So this is principal value of cosec inverse 1 minus root 2 is equal to minus pi by 4. This is answer. And find the value of the following. Question number 11, tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Solution of this question, tan inverse 1. So tan inverse 1 value of tan, so tan pi by 4 and plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 cos 1 by 2 pi by 3 cos 60 value 1 by 2. and plus sine inverse minus 1 by 2 sine inverse minus sine pi by 6. So also tan inverse tan, so tan inverse tan pi by 4 and plus cos inverse cos pi minus pi by 3. Since cos minus cos theta is equal to cos pi minus theta, so change in this case in this form, and tan sine inverse sine minus pi by 6. Since sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, so this, since tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus, so this pi minus pi by 3 and plus minus pi by 6. So pi by 6 and 3 plus 2 pi by 3 and minus pi by 6. So pi by 4, sorry, so this 4, and now taking LCM 4 3 6, so get LCM 4 3 6 12, 4 3 3 times and pi 3 pi and plus 3 4 12 12 to 8 pi minus 2 pi. So 8 pi plus 3 pi 11 pi minus 2 pi 9 pi, 9 pi upon 12. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 is equal to 3 pi by 4. This is answer. Question number 12. Cos inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Solution of this question: cos inverse 1 by 2 in cos pi by 3 plus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2 sin, so sin pi by 6. So sin inverse, since cos inverse cos x is equal to x and sin inverse sin x is equal to x, using this formula in this case, so cos pi by 3 plus 2 into pi by 6, so this cancel out, so pi by 3 plus pi by 3, so taking LCM 3 pi plus pi 2 pi by 3. This is answer. Thank you.